Hello everyone, I welcome you to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to run a simple HTML file on our browser, and also I am going to show you how we can easily use Visual Studio to write code in HTML and also see the preview of the code that you are writing within Visual Studio. And also I am going to discuss about how you can use live server extension so that whatever changes that you are making within code will automatically going to refresh on our browser, so you're going to get the live preview of whatever changes you are making within HTML. So in this video I'm going to discuss about all these things, so do watch the video till the end. If you like this video, please give it a like, and also don't forget to subscribe our channel. That will really help me to make more such videos. So let's begin. Now the first thing that you will need is to download Visual Studio Code. So I'll just simply search Visual Studio Code over here, and I'll go to their official site. So this link I'm going to put right in our description. So you need to download it for your operating system. I'm using Windows, so it has recognized that. So it will going to start downloading our Visual Studio Code for Windows. So if you are using some other operating system, you need to download it for that operating system only. Now I have downloaded it. Here is our Visual Studio Code setup. So I'll just simply double click to install it. And if you are using Windows 11, it might ask you that this app you are trying is not a Microsoft verified ad, but this is fine. You need to click on this installed anyway. And I'll minimize my download directory, and here you can see we have the setup rightly opened over here. So here you need to read this license agreement. You need to accept, click on next. This is where our Visual Studio is going to be installed. Everything is fine, click on next. So this is the folder that they're going to create, which is fine, click on next. So here I'm going to check this desktop shortcut along with these two options, so that I can simply right clicking on it, I can open any folder within our Visual Studio Code. So that open with code option will be showing right over there. So basically you need to check everything. Click on next and click on install. And you can see that our Visual Studio is slightly installed. So this launch Visual Studio option is also checked. Also here is our shortcut. I'll just simply click on finish so that it launches our Visual Studio Code. And you can see it is rightly launched. So this is our welcome note. I'll close this. And now what you need to do is you need to go to these extensions and you need to install a couple of extensions. So the first thing that I'll be recommending you is to install Live Server. So once you search that, you will be getting this Live Server extension over here. So this Live Server is a very good extension. It is developed by Ritik Day. So what you need to do is you need to click on this install, and it's going to start installing it. Alright. And you can see that it is rightly installed. So once this gets installed, the next thing that you need to install is HTML preview. So I'm going to discuss both these extensions in this video. So keep watching. So if you search HTML preview, you'll see the first one is deprecated, which is fine. What you need to do is you need to switch to the next one, which is developed by George Oliveira. So this HTML preview is what you need to install. And you can see it is rightly installed. Now what you need to do is you need to go to this Explorer, and here you need to click on this open folder. And here what I am going to do is I'll go to my document directory, and here what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a new folder, and I'm going to name this folder as HTML_practice. Alright, we are practicing HTML, so I'll just simply go inside that folder. I'll select folder, and it's going to open the folder right in our Visual Studio. So here you can see it is rightly open. I trust the authors. And now I'm going to create a new HTML file. So I'll just give this file name as index.html, right? And you can see that file is already open. And now I'll write code over here. So I'll just simply type HTML. It will show you this boilerplate. So I'll just simply click on this HTML file, and you can see our boilerplate is rightly over here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just simply use our h1 tag, and within h1 tag I'm going to write hello world over here, right? And now I'll just simply go to file and save this file. and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to right click and click on this open with live server. So when I click on that, it's going to start. You can see here it's starting our live server, and after that it's going to automatically open in our whatever is your default browser. So here I need to click on allow, and here you can see that it is automatically open in our default browser. So currently I am using Chrome, so that is what it is showing. So let's say I am adding a couple of explanation after hello world. I am again go to file and saving this. So automatically in our browser it's going to reflect you that, so you don't need to open it again and again. So that's the benefit of using this live server. So on this port it is running. And remember also another extension that we have installed is HTML preview, right? So what it helps is if you just simply press on your keyboard like Ctrl Shift V, it's going to open this preview index over here. So same thing, whatever you are seeing on the browser will actually show you on our Visual Studio itself. You can click on this split window and you can just simply select this and drag it over here. So what happens is whatever you are changing, let's say you are changing this hello world to hello everyone, you can see that, right? It is just simply typing. You don't need to even save it. It's automatically changing that on our HTML file. Let's say you want to add one picture image, you want to select this template, and here you need to provide one path. Let's go to our browser, find one image. So let's just simply type hello, and I'll go to our images tab and I'll just select one image. I'll open that in a new tab, and I'm going to copy this URL and I'm going to put that within our source attribute of our image tag. So you can see just simply adding that are actually refreshing in our live preview index .html file that we have created. So in this way you can easily use our Visual Studio Code for coding any HTML, and you can use this couple of extensions, this HTML preview and live server, to code fast and code efficiently, right? So that's basically all about this video. Please do share with your friends. That will really help me to make more such beautiful videos for you. Okay, so that's basically all about this video. I have also started one vlogging channel, so if you are interested you can also have a look on my channel. So that's basically all about this video. Thank you very much for watching this video, and God bless you all.